ruin everything from me. Mag-focus muna. Ano ko muna, di-develop ko muna chess ko sa summer. And balance kayo, maray pag nag-argo ka ni. Meron may argo ka ni. Kaya upper chest na target ko. Yun mo, giraray.
Garo mo ko lang mo.
Makang inaccurate. Iba ko naka-ponytail yan. Skip. Rapist ni Lukman Arnay. Kita ng trio naman. Si Daryl pa. The Evolution kita. Isa si Batista.
Si Batista. Ay, ako si Kenny kasi Undertaker.
Evolution na ni.
Ay, ako si Batista, syempre. Kasi Triple H.
Di ba magkita, ako ang mastermind.
Yeah.
Kasi pala ng gurang, si Ric Flair.
Si Daryl.
Si Daryl lang na nag-Triple H, ako ang Ric Flair.
Si John.
Tapos si Randy Orton. Pero
Bagay siya si Randy Orton.
dapat ako si Randy Orton.
Kaya nga, dapat.
Di ba bagay kay Anton, si Randy Orton ang pinakalang ko sa Evolution. Iyon si may grabe kay steerage ni King.
Ayun, itong chess.
Basta dam Scott Steiner.
Ayun. Si
Wala pa doon ang likod.
Nadami chibaka to si chess niya.
Nagtermani, pero magayon ang kasi.
Let's go.
They're fighting side by side.
Oh.
The Undertaker and Kane are known as the Brothers of Destruction. But the destruction is even worse when they fight each other. It's two supernatural entities that are putting one another through hell, fire, and brimstone.
Malik ay ni Taba Choi. Ba kung iyan ang ama ni Kane,
Aray.
yan, manager mo.
Nagadan siya makan.
Makuyo yun si Paul Bearer sa storyline.
Una ko na, sa sulo.
Iniyo. Hindi ba kasi nila? Si Paul, ama nila si Paul Bearer.
No, father. Parang baba.
Anytime you get tombstone pile driven by the Undertaker, you're finished.
Hindi pa tututokan. Paano mag-grappling with you? Paano mag-grappling na natin?
X.
X.
Yes. Choke slam. Choke slam. Oh!
Not this. He's looking at it again.
No, tombstone.
Tombstone pile driver. My God, the
No.
Undertaker.
Masyaro pa kitang match pagkatapos kanina. Ito naman biker Undertaker.
The choke slam ain't gonna be long now. And right,
No.
his minutes are numbered.
Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
Paano magtaas?
At diyan ka lang. Try kong mag-over the top. Puta!
Who can ever forget the embarrassing events of 1994 when the entire team of Shawn Michaels,
Binibilangan ako para
Jeff
magtaas.
Jarrett, Hart, and Jim Neidhart were
Puta!
eliminated?
May
magtaas. Paano magtaas? Paano?
That landed perfectly. Well,
Like,
out here you have to be able to think
amag ka.
fast.
Choke slam. Mas magayon si Choke slam. Ito diretsong
Paano magtaas? Ay, hindi na.
Hindi mo yung paggamitan. May disqualification eh.
Undertaker in absolute control here. This could end it in a hurry.
Boom! Choke slam. Oo, karay pa rin. Hindi ko yung sinabi. Ginawan mo.
Mag-grappling dito tao. Ah!
X-Sonic.
Yeah, there was nothing accurate about that attempt at offense.
Destroying you.
You're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed.
Pati referee.
Salamat sa pagkabal sa kuya daw.
Pati sa diri kong manager.
We're in the feeling out process. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control?
Lose ka na.
This is as good as mine.
L1.
I don't like the
Oh,
way
oh.
it's going, folks. I don't like all you're taking a risk here. That's how you win matches.
Oh!
No! Unang Nasinipa ako.
Ano lang kalaban ko lang yung Paul
Si Paul Heyman. Si Manny Pacquiao.
Cowboy.
Oh! Disqualify ka. What? Rematch. Ito naman Biker Undertaker, mas maugmat ang gamiton.
Ah, sige.
At lang. Kahit nakalang i-chokes lang sa skill steps. Ba na? L1!
At lang.
Oh no!
Oh.
L1!
Ito, ting. Ano yung ilon? Ah, bakal ka ng bagong tuklo.
Kaya na, mabaka lang may ipon mo kakuta man.
Mayo kung ano, advantage. Hindi na yung totoo, may pa advantage.
Ah.
Stop. Ano?
Ay, wow! No!
Ano?
Tabangi akong puli yun.
Ano?
Lang,
Ano?
lang. I-reset ko lang ang account.
Oh, datang. Suruh ka doon ko lang yun.
Jokes lang mo na!
Hindi, totoo.
We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be? Not this. He's looking at it again.
Oo. Nakakontra ang chokes lang.
The Undertaker hits him with a choke slam, and when he delivers that one, you're as good as God.
Ano realistic ba?
Paul Heyman. Fuck you. Balik ito lang. Oh, tabang.
The Undertaker's gonna put him in the grave right here. The Undertaker's gonna have his opponent resting in peace.
Hoy!
With all that build,
Gan ako?
sad to see it end like that.
Draw. Ito lang, Biker Undertaker. Ang kanusan niya yung gamit.
Talaga ako.